Harbor Freight tools for making videos on a budget. Let's go with some of my favorite picks. Oh wait, I forgot something. Now we're ready to go. Okay, number 1, these moving blankets. And matter of fact, this one right here, $3.79 on sale right now. These camera blankets are great for loads of things. They're great for sound dampening, mount them to the ceilings even. Sometimes you have a real reflexive room, can help out tons. They make a great courtesy flag to shade your talent, shade Video Village, shade yourself, do whatever. They're also awesome for protecting gear. They're super awesome for throwing under someone's knees if they're down low filming, like, crouched down. Put that under their knees. They're now your favorite person. The favorite person might be you, but, at least your knees will thank you. Back to the other screen. Round 2. Okay, these spring clamps. These spring clamps are awesome. $1.99, $1.99, $8.99 for a whole pack of them. These little guys, these are this size and this size, they're really great for pinning the back of someone's shirt. Say their shirt is ill-fitting. You bunch it up, pin that behind them. Now their shirt is tailor-fit. Took you like 2 seconds. This size and this size, great for pinning things out of the way, hanging up curtains, blocking light, hanging up that big blanket we were just talking about. Turn my camera back on. There we are. Okay, they work great for hanging up that flag that we were just talking about with the big blankie. Put that on a C-stand, put it on a window even, block out the light. Awesome, awesome, awesome. They do lots. You can hang them, mount them even on like a 2x4, the bigger ones, and hang wires off of them. They're fantabulous. You'll need them. Always have them with you. Okay, back to the other screen. And our number 3 contestant. LED lights, massive variety, all sorts of good options here. And they're all fairly inexpensive. Actually, these room lights are pretty cool too. But that's not what we're looking at. We are going to look at, especially today, this guy. Yes, it's $100, but look at what we're getting. 10,000 lumen, multi-directional light. Has the stand built in, has a decent length cord, can be changed all around, folds up, and the lights on the heads even flop all around, so you can aim this thing anywhere. Switch screens! Price-wise, these are going to beat the pants off of buying a light stand and a decent LED light, video light. Now, you may run into flicker issues, probably not, you can probably get around that. You're probably going to run into some color issues. Again, if you use them selectively and know how to set up your camera, you can get around that. But these are really useful when you need a lot of light and you just need something that works. Switch cameras! Last, but certainly not least, are these Apache cases. And would you look at that? They even have a camera and a lens as an example. You can get them in multiple colors. They're basically a Pelican case. Switch back to me. They're basically a Pelican case, but for way less money, a fraction the price. They have them in multiple different sizes. If you really need to protect your gear, you're going to take that on some rugged trip. Hard to beat one of these Apache cases. Now that is it for now for the Harbor Freight Tools Roundup. There's lots of other stuff that's useful, especially small tool kits, Allen wrenches, things like that. But these are some of the best deals for budget-conscious filmmakers. In my opinion. Because, it's my channel. Oh, before you go, if you'd like to know more about photo, video, land, and audio, don't forget audio, hit me up. There's some information below. I now do one-on-one coaching. I can help you out. Until next time.